Boys and girls, today we are going to use an array or multiplication table to find an unknown number. Let's read the story problem. Tanisha
plans to invite 24 people to a picnic. Invitations come in packs of 8. How many packs of invitations does Tanisha need to buy? And number sentence that uses the equal sign to show that two amounts are equal. A symbol or letter can stand for an unknown factor. You can write the equation n times 8 equals 24 to find out many packs of invitation Tanisha needs. Find the number that makes the equation true.
Okay, an equation is a number sentence that uses the equal sign to show that two amounts are equal. Okay? It is a number sentence, alright? An equation is a number sentence. Now, how many people did Tanisha want to invite? Let's answer the questions in the blue box. How many people does Tanisha want to invite? Allie?
24.
Make sure you have the label. And how many invitations are in one pack, everybody? 8 invitations. Okay, the first way they're going to help you solve this problem is by using an array. It says show an array with 24 tiles with 8 tiles in each row by completing the drawing. So we need to finish the tiles to make 24. Right now they have one row of 8. We need to make more rows of 8 to see how many rows we would use. Okay? So keep making your tiles until you get 24. Make sure you have equals amounts in each row. Okay, once we have made all the rows of 8 that make a total of 24, now we are going to look at the equation. We didn't know how many rows at first, okay? We did not know. So they put, instead of having a blank box, they put the letter in, okay? Usually you don't have letters in math, but now you are going to have some. That in means that you don't know what that number is, okay? That's all it means. It means you have to figure out what n is. What number is n, okay? So n times 8 equals 24. Now, when we do a multiplication sentence, we have an array. Our first number is always the amount of rows, right? So now we know how many rows because we have drawn all of them, right? Okay, count how many rows of tiles there are. Think about what number times 8 equals 24. There are how many rows, guys?
3.
3 rows of 8 tiles. Write that down. So the unknown factor is what?
3.
3. So n equals 3. 3. Yeah. So blank times 8 equals 24. What times 8 equals 24? 3. 3. Okay. 24? The answer is what?
24.
24, and 24 equals 24. So Tanisha needs how many packs of invitations? She needs 24 packs.
3.
She needs 3 packs
Is she
of invitations to get 24 invitations. She needs 3 packs of 8 invitations. She has to buy this. 1 pack only has 8. So she has to buy 2 packs to get to 16. 3 packs to get to 24. Go to the next page. Another way to find an unknown factor is by using a multiplication table. Okay? So you have this multiplication table over here on page 186. And instead of using an in this time, they did use a box. Blank times 8 equals 24. Think of the box as standing for the unknown factor. Now, to find the unknown factor, the other blank times 8 equals 24. To find this unknown factor right there, which we know it because we just did it, right? But to find it on a number line, you can start at the column for 8. So going down for 8, since 8 is the second factor, go down for the second factor. And you go down until you find the product 24. So from going to 8 and going down to 24, stop there. Okay, now look across. Going across, there is a 3. So the unknown factor is 3. So the box equals, and what times 8 equals 24?
3.
So then we say 24 equals 24. So the equation has to be true. Make sure you have all that written in. Okay. Now it's show and share.